This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. We assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. And we have been completely into database and related technologies for last 19 years, right from SQL to Power BI, Power Apps, AWS, Python, Azure, Postgres, Snowflake, and more. Trust me, we assure you every possible approach to get the best in the industry, best in our resume, best at our job desk. And the basement MS SQL will be the strong foundation for administrators, engineers, programmers, developers, analysts, and data scientists. Various job roles in database platform with various certifications from Microsoft as well as from Google Cloud and Amazon. We at SQL School, we have been focusing specifically on Azure database technology, Microsoft database and Azure and Power BI cloud technologies for more than 19 years. And recently we ventured into AWS, Amazon Web Services. And here it is. The complete course curriculum will be very much detailed, step-by-step activities from the very basics of our class. Right from day one, we'll start the introduction, first 30 minutes, and then start the practice. What more you are waiting for? Let's sign up for a live demo class. Let's understand what we are going to learn. Let's understand what exactly we need to have in our resume. We'll do it carefully, step by step. Things will be very much in detail, very specific. You'll attend the live demo class first and then complete your installations, required installations, then enroll for the course. We request you to ensure on-time practice, on-time submission of your assignments. Max by weekends, you'll be submitting all your assignments. Complete your project work and get certified. The things will be very much detailed. Again and again, let me tell you, it's all keyword stuff. Very meaningful, very detailed and step-by-step approach. I'll take you back to our happy school days in our learning process in a meaningful way for the purpose of our resume, for whatever course you opt for. Come on, let's meet once for a live demo session and then we'll take it from there to proceed further based on our comfort. Thank you so much and see you there in our live demo session. Please call or WhatsApp us to step into our live demo session. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.